Alright, Dottie. It's bath time. You wanna have a bath?
Why can't you edit it? You have that software.
No, not for this type of video with the new camera. Oh.
Good job. Good job.
Good job, Dottie. Yeah.
Good job.
Is that cold water?
No, it's warm.
Oh, aren't you sweet?
Good dog. Uh-huh. Good dog.
It's not so tall.
Look at that.
Hi, Dottie. Say hi to Mick and Claire. Good to see them tomorrow.
Dottie, you are dirty. What do you think is dirty?
You're a very good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Look at that nasty dirty water. Ugh. Good girl.